not ready to go yet. So whenever you're ready, you can start.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Today we're reviewing the armor Baymax. The arms can go in and out. Now let's get putting on the armor. I'm going to get more interested when you put the art. We're still putting on the art. Getting more interested. Getting interested.
Oh.
So we're putting on the arms. Doing well. Like the record. It's getting more. We have to record it onto the TV. So, that was, I saw the movie with my parents. It was awesome show. Oh, and I even saw the trailer at Grandpa's the day when the DVD. Yes, I still had this toy, and when I first got it, I had to do the review not in his box because he don't want done. Oh, whoa. This toy is awesome. Hope you like it. The way tower. This is the best part. You get to put on the legs. On the box, it said to put on the armor legs, but I don't like wearing it white, but and I love this toy. He does need the helmet. And this is Baymax.
What does Baymax say?
He says, I am Baymax.
What else does he say?
I only know that we jumped out the window. Now,
I am your.
companion.
Is that what he is?
Yep.
Does flying help his health care?
Yep, it does.
How? How does it help his health care?
You're not supposed to go on his back, but Hero did come with him. I do remember in the movie, Hero looked different than the toys. So now I have the Baymax's arm. Sorry, I can't figure out how to complete him. But I do know. But I do. Sorry, I broke. If you want to buy this in stores, get it. If you don't. It's only in Target. It's only at Target. Go in Waterloo to go to Target because it's where I got mine. And it's a cool toy to get it. I got it at my local toy store. And my mom got it for me. Yeah, but it was supposed to be small toy. But this is a big toy, so. I think that's pretty much it. So bye. See you later.